Fed pauses interest rates, but Bitcoin options data still points to BTC price downside. Fed Chair Jerome Powell announced a pause in interest rates, but Bitcoin options data still warns that a BTC price drop to $25,000 is possible. Market analysis. Join us on social networks. Bitcoin's price has been pinned below $26,300 since June 10, reflecting a 14.8% correction in 2 months. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Tech Stock Market Index gained 13.6% in the same period, indicating that investors are not exactly fleeing to the safety of cash and short-term debt. In fact, the demand for United States government bonds has been declining for the past 6 weeks. The yield on 2-year U.S. Treasuries, for example, increased from 3.80% on May 4 to 4.68% on June 14. Lower demand for debt instruments increases payouts, resulting in a higher yield. If the investor thinks that inflation will continue above target, the tendency is for those participants to demand a higher yield when trading bonds. The U.S. Treasury is set to issue more than $850 billion in new bills between June and September. As additional debt issuance tends to cause higher yields, the market expects increased borrowing costs for families and businesses. Still, that does not explain why investors have been flocking to tech companies but avoiding Bitcoin, BTC, as depicted by the past 2-month performance. 8 consecutive weeks of crypto fund outflows. According to CoinShares' latest digital asset fund flows report, the sector's investment product outflows amounted to $88 million in the week ending on June. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.